friends. Today we are in our letter center. And so for most of the time I'm going to teach you a couple new songs, but I'm going to talk to moms and dads for just a couple minutes. So over here in our letter center, I just wanted to show you a couple things. So one of the things that we do in our room is called Book of the Week. And this is something that you could do at home, which is why I wanted to show it to you. This is also something that I will be doing online, so we'll be bringing you videos about it each week. But when we do Book of the Week, we share the title of the book, the author of the book, the illustrator of the book, the theme of our book, and some vocabulary words that are in our book. Usually we pick 2 or 3 vocabulary words. Now, since this channel is for kids ages 2 to 6, I want to tell you a little bit about how you can tailor this to your kids. So for example, the vocabulary words, for a 2-year-old, you're probably only going to pick 1, maybe 2 words, and they're going to be really short, really simple. But if you've got a 6-year-old, you're going to want to pick words that are a little bit longer, but you're also going to want to pick words that your kids can practice writing. Because when they start writing, that also helps them to develop the skill of reading. So I wanted to share with you our Book of the Week. I'm going to teach you a couple letter songs, and then we're going to head over to our KWL board because I also want to show you how that works, and that's another thing that you can do with your kids. So actually, let's head over there now, and then I will teach you some songs in a minute. So we're going to head over to the KWL board, and you can see this is my circle time area. So I've got all my different things ready for teaching circle time. This is kind of an area that you can have in your house if you would like to. I would suggest setting up a separate area for your kiddos to learn in. Again, 2 to 6-year-olds, so your 6-year-old might not want all of this, but definitely your 2 to 5-year-olds are going to need a separate space that's just for them. So when we do the KWL board, KWL stands for Know, Want, and Learn. So the K is, what do we already know about a subject? So for example, this next few weeks, we're going to be talking about my body. We're going to be talking about the 5 senses. We're going to be talking all about me. So what do we already know about the body? What do we already know about our 5 senses? What do we already know about our families, about our homes? Then the W is, what do we want to know? So now we're talking about a topic and we're saying, what do we already know and what are the things that we don't know but we want to learn? And then the coolest part is that at the end of your unit and your study, you get to go to the L, what we have learned. And you get to look and see all of the incredible things that you have learned and your kids have learned over the time that you're doing your study. I'm going to go ahead and show you, since it's here on the screen, this is the circle time area that we have in our room. So we have a section for of the week. So each week we have a new color, a new shape, a new letter, and a new number. And those are all right there. Each morning we do a morning message. So for example, this message says, today, good morning. Today we will learn about our families. How many people are in your family? What kind of home does your family live in? Love, Miss Becky. Now, this might be a great way for you to start off the day with your kiddos as you're learning at home. Give them a morning message. Give them a couple of things that you're going to be doing throughout the day so that they know that there's a plan, so that they know that there's a routine that they can follow. We, in our classroom, have up a daily schedule. We have different pictures of each thing so that the kids, even if they can't read, they know what is coming next. This is, again, another idea that I suggest for you to do in your house. You could also look at the calendar. Now, this is the calendar that we have, and you can get some of these and order some of these. We have our months of the year and our days of the week, and in a minute, I'm going to do some videos of different songs that we do so that you guys can learn those too. But for right now, I just wanted you to see a little bit of what we do and what you could maybe set up in your classroom at home as you're learning with your kids. All right, thanks for watching this. Tune in just a few minutes and I'm going to do some songs with you. Have a good day.